Enjoying a continuous, deeply restorative night of sleep is the absolute foundation for vibrant energy, sharp memory, and emotional well-being as we age. As we cross 60, our body's internal biological clock naturally undergoes subtle shifts, often leading to lighter sleep, earlier morning awakenings, or difficulty falling asleep. While many older adults believe that poor sleep is just an inevitable part of growing older, sleep medicine experts strongly disagree. According to clinical research from the National Sleep Foundation and Harvard Health, establishing a predictable, calm evening routine is the single most effective way to signal to your brain that it is time to rest. Today, Golden Years Health is sharing the ultimate step-by-step bedtime routine tailored specifically for adults over 60. Let us explore these 7 simple evening steps together to help you drift off effortlessly into deep, healing sleep every single night. Rule 1. Set a fixed sleep schedule and wind down time. The foundation of a perfect night starts with unwavering consistency. Your body relies heavily on your circadian rhythm, an internal master clock that regulates sleep hormones, body temperature, and metabolic repair. Medical specialists from the Mayo Clinic emphasize that going to bed and waking up at the exact same time every day, even on weekends, strengthens this biological rhythm naturally. Choose a fixed bedtime, such as 10 o'clock at night, and begin your official wind-down process 60 minutes prior. By establishing this gentle, daily boundary, your brain begins to release melatonin on autopilot, making you feel naturally drowsy right when your head touches the pillow. Rule 2. Power down digital screens 1 hour before bed. Modern electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and televisions emit concentrated blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it is still bright daylight. Clinical studies from Harvard Health confirm that blue light exposure in the evening severely suppresses melatonin production, delaying your sleep onset and causing fragmented, shallow sleep. Make it a strict daily rule to turn off all screens at least 60 minutes before your target sleep time. Instead of watching late-night news or scrolling through social media, replace screen time with soothing analog activities such as reading a physical printed book, solving a gentle crossword puzzle, or listening to relaxing ambient soundscapes. Rule 3. Limit late evening fluids and heavy snacks. Experiencing frequent midnight trips to the bathroom, known medically as nocturia, is one of the leading causes of sleep disruption in older adults. Waking up repeatedly not only breaks your deep sleep cycles, but it also increases the risk of dangerous nighttime stumbles or falls. To ensure continuous sleep, drink the majority of your daily water during the morning and afternoon hours, and stop consuming large amounts of fluids 2 hours before bed. Additionally, avoid heavy meals, spicy dishes, or sugary desserts late in the evening. If you feel slightly hungry before bed, opt for a small, easily digestible snack like a banana or a handful of raw almonds, which naturally contain magnesium to relax your muscles without straining your stomach. Rule 4. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sanctuary. Your physical environment plays a massive role in how deeply you sleep throughout the night. Sleep medicine specialists highlight that your core body temperature must drop by 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit to initiate and maintain sound sleep. Setting your bedroom thermostat to a cool temperature, ideally between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, supports this natural cooling process. Ensure your bedroom is completely dark by using blackout curtains or wearing a comfortable eye mask, as even tiny specks of light can disturb your sleep depth. Using a simple white noise machine or earplugs can also help block out unexpected background noises, creating a serene, undisturbed haven for your mind and body. Rule 5. Engage in gentle evening stretching or relaxation. Physical tension built up in your lower back, hips, and shoulders throughout the day can make finding a comfortable sleeping position difficult. Spending 5 to 10 minutes doing light, restorative stretching or gentle chair yoga right before bed helps release tight muscles and eases joint stiffness. Accompanying your physical stretches with slow, deep breathing exercises. Inhaling deeply through your nose for 4 seconds and exhaling slowly for 6 seconds activates your parasympathetic nervous system. This immediate physical shift lowers your heart rate, relaxes your nervous system, and smoothly guides your body out of daytime stress mode and into a state of deep tranquility. Rule 6. Sip a warm, caffeine-free herbal tea. Incorporating a comforting, warm beverage into your nightly ritual provides a wonderful sensory signal that your day is complete. Enjoying a hot cup of caffeine-free herbal tea, such as chamomile, valerian root, or lavender tea, offers natural calming benefits for older adults. Chamomile tea, in particular, contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain to decrease anxiety and promote sleepiness. Be sure to enjoy your warm tea about an hour before bed so your stomach processes it comfortably, and strictly avoid caffeinated teas, coffee, or chocolate during the late afternoon and evening hours. Rule 7. Practice a mind-clearing journaling routine. Lying awake in the dark with racing thoughts, tomorrow's to-do list, or lingering worries is a common barrier to restful sleep. Mental health experts from the National Institute on Aging recommend keeping a notebook or journal on your nightstand. Before turning off your lamp, spend 5 minutes writing down whatever thoughts or tasks are cluttering your mind. Expressing your thoughts on paper acts as an emotional release valve, safely transferring your concerns out of your head so your mind feels free to relax. Conclude your journaling by writing down 2 or 3 simple things you are grateful for today, filling your subconscious mind with feelings of contentment and peace as you drift off. Designing the perfect bedtime routine is not about strict perfection. It is about gifting yourself a calm, nurturing evening ritual that honors your body's natural needs after 60. By implementing these 7 simple steps, you are actively investing in sharper cognitive health, stronger immunity, a happier heart, and vibrant daily energy. Which of these evening steps are you excited to try tonight? Let us know in the comment section below, as we always love reading your experiences and personal healthy aging stories. If you found this video helpful and comforting, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Golden Years Health for more daily wellness guidance, and share this video with a friend. Sleep tight, stay healthy, and see you in the very next video.